Is a living trust and a revocable living trust one and the same? Well, you would think that this is an easy answer, but I'm sorry, it is not. What does living trust mean? That's a great question. And whoever created and called the trust a living trust, that attorney should explain why they use that term. Typically, living trust is included with the term revocable living trust. And revocable is what we're really focusing in on here, is that trust, a revocable living trust for the Smith family, can be terminated at any time. Typically, it's according to what the terms of the trust say, but with a Smith Family Revocable Living Trust, the Smiths were the grantors, the creators of the trust, the trustors, the people in charge of the trust, and the beneficiaries of the trust. So they thought it was a good idea, and then later on they said it wasn't a good idea because maybe they moved to a different jurisdiction like Washington, where for estate planning purposes it was a bad idea. So they just revoke it. So a revocable living trust is by far the most common trust you will find, the most common living trust you will find. So let's say that the trust is called the Smith Family Living Irrevocable Trust. Those are very confusing concepts to put into one phrase. If you ever see living trusts and it's an irrevocable trust, just make sure that you understand why is it called the living trust and irrevocable or not. So for the most part, when you see living trust, it means that it's irrevocable. But like everything in law, there's always exceptions and always reasons that people will use language. Sometimes there's no valid reason for the language, sometimes there is. So please speak with your attorney about what it means.